Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 or a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and it was pre-loved, so that under sort of side is dry, but this is just a tip off I did from a pour I've only not long just done, and it's such pretty paint. I just thought maybe I could tip it on here, pick it all up, and then I don't do a bit of a pour on there using up the leftovers from the previous so that's what I'm going to do. So, and I've got lots of pretty colours, and I'm hoping that they will come up rather nicely. I don't want to use all this black, but I do like a little bit, and red. So the recipes for the paint and the pouring medium will be down under show more. Let me just do that this way. Under show more below the video, and there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. And this is going to be a bit of fun because I have absolutely no idea at all what it might turn out to be like, so just interesting. And what else? It's not a lot of paint really. More white, a little bit of red. Oh, I've got some of this mauvey sort of colour here. Squeeze some of that in. Right. Now, some more red. I'm going to see how this goes. I'll just use up the last of this red, I think. Right. This is going to be good, she said. She hopes. So, it's a paper cup, and I just made a little spout, and we'll just see what we get. And I'm just going to straight pour it out, dirty cup, straight pour, and we'll just see. Lots of red. Okay. Still some purple in there. Have to come. That'll do. Oh, okay. So, just take it on a little excursion. Down a little bit. What I might do now is get this ready and let it roll onto the shovel where I can, because that way I get to keep it a bit over the edge, please. That's it. And then back over to this one. This is turning out quite interesting. And then the last one. Right. And then back somewhat. Some of that purple off, I think. Come out. Right. And then back. See what we have. Something that is, in my opinion, extraordinary. So, what to do? Okay, so I have some black and some white, and this can go back on. Alright, so this is what I might do. And then I think I might just give it a spatula swipe. Spatula. Look at my grubby hands, but that'll be alright because my hands aren't going to go near it. Right. Well, that's certainly coming up all right. Getting the colours from underneath showing up. And I'm going to tilt some of this paint off, I know that. And I think I've just wasted the lot. Oh no. Take it over the edge. And I've got something that is rather nice actually. And where's that red? Are you it? No? Where did I just see it? I don't know where I just saw it, but here. Ah, don't believe it. Oh, yuck. Oh, well. Oh, yuck. You should see my floor. Okay, sorry about that, Winston. Please don't step in that, whatever colour you want to call it. Man, oh, man. What a job and a half, and I don't even think I'm going to save it. Oh dear, oh dear. But we'll soon find out, won't we? Surely. Nah, I think this one is totally a goner, because I can feel grit and who knows what. But what I might do, just some, I'll wipe my hands and I might just torch it. You never know your luck. Never give up. Oh, hell's bells. That's really bad. I was liking that too, not to worry. The things that happen. Afraid not. Well, there we are. Okay, people. I'm not even going to bring you down to show you this. Yes, I will. I'll bring you down and show you the mess. It's a bit sad, but that's the way it goes. There's the splat. Oh dear, oh dear. And this is what I was now looking at, and this is what happened. I do have some cells, and that little bit of white part there is not too bad, but overall it's a good splat. So the recipes for the colours, not this muddy stuff, or the dirt, they're underneath, show more below, and a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And okay, please give this one the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.